What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Juvia, aka Naturally Juvia. If you're new here, make sure you take a second and go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you click that little bell button so you never miss when I post a new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I created this cute smoky halo eye. So if you guys would like to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, now I'm going into my James Charles palette. I'll be taking this light brown shade and I'll be using that in my crease. Now I'm going back into the palette. I'm going to take this shade, which I believe is called Face, from the palette, and I'll be using that as my transition color. And I'll also be taking another orange, which is from this Morphe palette. It's like I think it's more of a darker orange color, and I just really wanted something darker, and I'll also be using that over that first color that the second color that I used, that first orange color that I used. And going back into that first shade, I'm just making sure I blend those two colors together to get a nice even transition from light to dark. Okay, now dipping back into the palette, I'm going to take the black shade, and I'm going to also use that as use that in my crease and in my outer V to further darken that that brown shade. Today I'm going for like a smoky look, and right now I'm just packing that color in and then going back in with that brown shade just to buff out the edges of that black color. Because you don't want the edges to be harsh. And all I'm doing is going back in with those other colors to make sure I get a nice even transition, like I said before, from light to dark. And I'm also going back in and adding more of those colors because I kind of lost it as I was blending. Alright, so now going in, I'm going to cut my crease with this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the shade Eden. And now, as you can see, I went back in with that black color just to diffuse the edge of that cut crease that I created. And I'm also adding more from the palette to make it darker. And I'm creating a halo look, so I'm going back in with that brown, that second shade, that second color. No, not the second, not the, what was that? The first color that I used, which was that brown shade. And I'm applying that before the black, and then I go back in with the black to diffuse the two colors together. And I'm gonna next go in with that the second orange that I used from the Morphe palette, and I'm applying it to the middle of my eyelid. And I also apply that brown shade to my inner eyelid. I should have used a smaller brush. I don't know why I didn't, but I should have. But yeah, and I'll go back in with that black shade just to further blend those colors together, and also with that brown shade as well. Makeup is, well, eyeshadow is just really all about blending. And as you can see, I'm going in with this small, I don't know what it's called, it's a really tiny pencil brush, and I just use that to define that part above my cut crease. And I'm going in with this Exotic Pop palette, and you can't really see it that well, but it's like an orange glittery color, and I'm going to use that in the middle of my eyelid. Alright, and I'm going back into the palette, and I'm going to take two shades, which is Beauty and Golden Kiss, and I'm going to use that to help diffuse the glitter with the eyeshadows. I'm now just taking a makeup wipe, and I'm gonna clean up the fallout that I got from the glitter underneath my my eyes. And I'll be applying this lash off camera. It's just a regular some regular mink lashes that I got from AliExpress. And now I'm in with my Morphe face primer, and I'm applying it all over my face. And I'll be using my Too Faced foundation. It's in the shade Mahogany. I think it's in the shade Mahogany. I'll leave it down in the description. Okay, so now I'll be going in with this CoverGirl concealer. I'll leave the shade in the description box, but I'm going to basically be highlighting underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm going to take this Morphe sponge that's damp, and I'm going to blend that concealer in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place powder, and I'm gonna set my face everywhere that I highlighted, which is underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And immediately after I get through pressing that into my skin, I'm gonna dust it off with a brush. Okay, I didn't show this on camera, but I went in with my contour palette by Morphe, which is in the shade Prodigy, and now I'm just contouring my nose, and then I'll go in and contour my, as you can see, what is that? My underneath my cheeks and my forehead. And now I'm going to go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and I'm going to use that to set my face. Okay, now I'm going to go back in to that Morphe palette, Morphe X James Charles, and I use the black on the outer corner, and then I use that brown on the inner corner. And I'm just blending the two together, as you can see. Okay, and I'm gonna next go in with my Juvia's Place Magic Mini palette, and I'm gonna take this purple shade, which is called Faso, something like that, and I'm gonna apply that to my tear ducts. Okay, now going into my Juvia's Place highlighter. This is their pigmented highlighter, and I'm going to use that for my nose, my forehead, and also my brow bone to highlight. Okay guys, and this is my finished product, nice halo smoky eye. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you click that little bell button so you never miss when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.